he met me and told me some secrets we never tell anybody. I said, okay, fine, let's make this one of the problem.
Hello, my people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. There is this video when they trend online where many of our content creators now, everything when they do, sometimes we'll look and say maybe that they prank people, or I don't really know. There is one video when I bring come out on this our social media, on this my channel, about unstoppable comedy. He surprised two of his boys car, I do that video for this my channel. If you watch that video, you will know what I try to turn. Not be say the video give me view, but as the thing just see they go on, the thing they pay me if na real true. This boy, this untouchable, the guy when he even dash them that car, that boy body language, for me, if you watch that video, you will hear wetin I try to talk. Say that boy, to when they call John, then untouchable come say this boy, since when he give am car, when he buy them car, they are doing different. He want prank them. He want prank them. No, they are alive now. Also prank. He want prank this particular guy. My people. Then untouchable Rico, touchable be untouchable. He go house. He called John. Then he start to dey scatter in car when he buy am as a gift. I know say they pay. I know say it no make sense. But now the game when they do, now wetin they do, just supposed to know untouchable. And na every person when buy am the gift, somebody give you gift tomorrow, he say he no want am again. Give me my gift back. Immediately you give am. But the boy said he don't work with untouchable for over 2 years. Then untouchable say I give you 5 million when you dey work with me. You dey house, free house. If they pay you every month, maybe how much when person they pay person. Not besides they support what your untouchable do. How much Nigeria people they pay person when they do cleaning or person when they work, highest 50,000, 30,000 salary. Okay, somebody when that shoe car, my people, where untouchable can't destroy this boy car, then this boy can't dey vex. He can't destroy untouchable car back. That one no problem. The next day, untouchable because say you do me like this. Me when I fit buy the other boy because say person when I fit buy you car. You know me say person must tell you. Person body language. You supposed to know say this person they do want to prank to see your action, to see your doing, to see how you go be, to see how you go do, to see your how I don't know how to put them. Then you start bringing the character when they suspect. According to the website, don't try to investigate. Try to hear. They say the boy, one, it too they carry woman. Two, they drink. No any of them they drink. No any of them they carry woman. Money when they make, that they use and they invest, they use and they do things. But this the same John so, they use and do something. John, untouchable rescue John for lady hand. When he said the lady big, in fact, he old person reach to be a mother. But the lady they abuse her as he not get choice. Then untouchable brother can't need to reach out to untouchable. Please, this guy they pass through. Just because nowhere to sleep, nowhere to stay, can't go for himself for sugar mommy when they molest her. Now they untouchable for career enter house. Okay, untouchable now they work together. This guy buy you car. You don't get any place where you go. Now this guy rescue you for that woman when they abuse you, enter in house. Okay, this particular person now he buy you a car. Car now he buy for you. He buy self-destroyer. If you na person when really humble, person when really get sense, person when really get brain. Now you buy the car for me, bro. Why do you scatter the car now? You buy am for me. I don't work follow you for long. Why do you scatter the car? You are here. You know who talk. Your doings for who make am give you more. Then he scatter untouchable car. Whether na prank or because her husband and wife, where I mean really believe say, hey, that they fight themselves, or hey, that they destroy each other car, or whether na mama Ika, mama Oka, something like that. That guy. When he wife scatter this thing. I don't ever do that video. But behold, na prank. Yes, na big prank. Whether this one na still prank, we don't know. But the thing when it comes to my liver, if na still prank, my sister, I talk food. If there is anybody who try to do this kind of thing, no good. Person when buy you gift, person when rescue you before, when he render help for you before, if he show a character, that he first help, use and judge am. What do you go do? Carry your beloved, live there. When you take do something, when people take judge you bad, say you be ungrateful, then carry your things, give that person 100 yards, so that they don't see anything when they go talk about. This guy now, he still come untouchable house, carry boys, then they fight, even jump fence. But the main things when the thing they confuse me, I go leave the video me una watch after. I go try to combine all the video together. Now leave an opinion. I know play am for here. I will leave am so that me una play am. The thing when you call the trigger my liver, I call me. When I call they see and like I been a prank, I been a real. Somebody carry thugs enter your house. Yeah, there be thugs because anything when you don't pass 1, 2, 3, they are thugs. Come your house. Why you not make action to take police to arrest this guy? Yes, you untouchable if you come across this my video. If no be prank, this guy he carry people come your house. Why you not call the authority? Why you not call? I don't understand though. Then this particular guy now, he still carry police. They go arrest untouchable. I know untouchable is big to get police to get a lot, but this one can't they get as they do me. But if na prank, shout those on an expensive prank, it not make sense at all. But if it not be prank, you dead there, you want embark on this kind of journey, not good. Somebody when don't assist you at all before. When that woman they abuse you just because you don't have any place to go. You don't have any house to enter. You don't get any place. That kind of person. Never you bite the hand that fed you. No matter where you did today, always remember back. If there is anything, maybe you they say the person want try to they do you like who you are. Don't insult that person. Give that person 100 yards. What I talk? Distance yourself out of that person's circle. Then me I they do a lot. Yes, I they do one. When I will look, I will say I go distance myself from you. Not be say we be enemy. Not be say we know they do well. Not be say we no. Just because I don't want to see that because me I be person when you go see something I must talk. Then when I go talk that way, you come become a something else. I will suffer distance myself out of that place so that thing I know see. So that if I not say I know talk, I go quiet. Now this one I get to talk, my beautiful people. I go leave you now watch the video. How now see the video? Let me react so that now they watch that video.
Also, but he met me and told me some secrets we never tell anybody. I said, okay, fine, let's make this one of the problem we are going to solve today. You get? He came back from Benin Republic the last time. So when he came back, he met a certain lady that promised to help him. You get? So I don't know. She accommodated him, but she can't use that opportunity. They tried to forcefully sexually harass him. Based on if you don't do this thing now, you will come out from my house. You know that kind of talk. Give me head. Oh, well, I call my management. Alpha, come down from the car. Come, yes. Let me call my management so that I will do the business. Sorry, I beg, you know him. Do you know him?
Yes.
You know him?
He's my guy. What happened?
He's your guy. Actually, he laid a complaint that you are sexually molesting him. You get? So I really want to make peace, and the lifestyle don't make sense at all. You're supposed to know. We are here for peace, but the lifestyle is not making any sense. You get? So
I'm tired of the way you're treating me. Seriously, this is not tired. That's why I want to end them today. Why would you be harassing me anyhow? Telling me to be having sex with you?
How dare you?
You see, it don't make any sense.
I don't like it. See, because you're helping me, you're treating me this way. It's not good. So that's why I come here to help me. I'm tired of staying with you. I want to come and pack my things and leave your house. I'm tired, to be honest with you.
This fool, bastard.
No problem. You can call me any name.
So after spending my money on you, you have the court to call your friend. No.
Man, what he's trying to say is don't tire.
I'm tired of.
Please, we are here for peace. Leave him alone. And this lifestyle you are living is not making any sense. That's why he's trying to tell you. You get?
Seriously, I'm
so
tired.
You have the mind to call your friend.
Mama.
Stop. Peace out. Me, I don't go sleep. Oh. No deal.
Joy! I don't believe this child. My legs are 350. I don't believe this legs are 350.
Who they? Mama, I'm with.
It's a boy Bob too funny area.
Guys, I'm really not happy. The reason I don't like me and person getting issues online, but the reason I came here actually is because we started this thing online. You get? So I'm just worried about my boy John Laughter. The guy is really making things very difficult for me. He started misbehaving ever since I gave him that car. Like going out of my house, coming back midnight, misbehaving, bringing people to my house. Like I was like, what did happen? This is not what we planned. He said, to the extent if I send a message, do this thing for me, he no go do one. Personally, I was humble. Ever since I gave him khaki, he misbehaved and changed. Like I was very, very surprised. So I don't know. All of us came. I want to put him on a test, on a prank level. I want to break that in car right by for him. Make I see in reaction towards that. To buy car, not be my problem. To fix the screen, not be my problem. So I don't know. Waiting, they feel.
I know they feel, and the only thing we say,
Jesus. You think they follow and joke? Where is they? Call him. You think this guy don't disobey me and do that? Call him. I don't break him. Nothing go happen. John! They teach her the phone. Video him. You can't do. What's wrong with you, man?
Jesus, what the devil?
Wait.
Hey! My God, what the devil?
You push me.
What the devil? Why break my car? Why break my car? Why what did you do? Bobby, you break my car.
Wait,
You
you
can't
push
this
me.
car now.
You push me.
You why break my car now?
Now me push.
Why break my car?
Car I buy for you.
I don't go push. Why break this car?
Car I buy for you.
What do you want to do? Leave me alone. Why you break my car? You don't mad? What do you don't mad? Why you break my car?
Are they mad?
Now
Calm down first.
Hey! Jesus!
Are they mad?
Jesus!
John,
Wait, what I do now? What I do?
Wait.
Hey! Hey! Stop!
Take my car key. Drive my own.
What I want your car do?
Take my car key.
What I want your car do?
Have it.
What I want you to do? Leave me alone. What I want this car do?
Hey, throw away my key.
Who you be? What you want to do me? No mad. They tell you they break my car. Now what's in this car? Is it compare this car with your car? It's crazy. I told you, I told you, why break my car? I told you, why break my car? I told you, why break my car? Because you're the mad. Why you go break my car? You know how much be this? I deserve this car.
Carry police come. I tell this guy say, okay, maybe you. No, sir, give him 5 million. I don't give him 5 million.
Bro, I deserve her. I work for good 2 years. I work for it. I deserve her.
Stop saying
This guy, did I work for you? Did I work for you? I'm repeating to you. I work for you for good 2 years. I've been helping you doing everything, traveling up and down for all the whole state from anywhere. I've helped you. So this guy, if you buy this car, you're not able to buy car for person.
John, I don't give you 5 million before. You don't forget.
Bro, no, they tell me that. Now why you go come break my car?
I gave you 5 million before.
Now why you go come break my car?
Even person where they do 7 years to learn Oga. Never collect 5 million.
I deserve this car. No, I don't want no. I
Nothing
deserve
wey
her.
tell me I do for you, I no do for you.
I deserve this car. Why you go break her?
You get mine, tell me when I go to her. Me.
I want to drop one line for you.
So they tell me that.
Yes.
So they tell me that nonsense.
Yes, some people broke your back car glass. I understand. It dey pain, but you for reason like human being. Person will break your car glass. He no pass am. He no pass am.
Nah, leave me alone, first. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Stop. Leave me alone. No, man. No, man. No, man. Why you go break my car? Why you go break my car?
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Put on the camera, put on the camera, put on the camera. Who is there? Who is there?
Open this gate. I will change it for you.
Who is there? The guy will come there stay.
Open this gate.
John, what's your problem? Lock the gate. Lock it, lock it. John, wait, one. John, why you? John.
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default.